Hi guys, now I want to show you how you can add shortcuts into here. For example, you got YouTube shortcut, Gmail, all these useful stuffs. So all you got to do to get these shortcuts here is to click on more, then go even more from Google, and then you need to scroll down at the bottom, right at the bottom where all the apps are. And for example, we like to use Sheets and we want to add Sheets into the shortcuts, but you can do this same procedure to any other app. So you click Sheets, you go then to the personal one or the business, whichever you're using, and then once you're in the Sheets, you need to click on Google Apps, and you can see this appears to add a shortcut. All you need to do is just to click add shortcut. You can even move it up and down in here, and the more also can be adjusted accordingly. So this is a video of how to add shortcuts, and if you want to learn how to add a table into Gmail, follow my other video and you will learn. And Sheets is one of the products of Google that can be used to adding tables. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.